Today we're gonna talk about 13 ways to boost testosterone naturally. But first, we should know what is testosterone and what are the testosterone roles in body. What is testosterone? Testosterone is a steroid hormone often associated with masculinity. Testosterone plays a vital role in the health and well-being of both men and women, produced primarily in the testes of men and the ovaries of women, albeit in smaller quantities. It's also produced in small amounts by the adrenal glands. This hormone belongs to a class of hormones called androgens, which are responsible for the development of male characteristics, both physical and behavioral. The role of testosterone. Sexual development. Testosterone is the hormone responsible for the development of male sexual characteristics during puberty. This includes the growth of facial and body hair, deepening of the voice, and the growth of the Adam's apple. Muscle and bone health. It plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of muscle mass and bone density. This is why men typically have greater muscle mass and bone density than women. Sexual function. Testosterone is often referred to as the sex hormone because it plays a pivotal role in the sex drive and sexual function in both men and women. Mood and energy. It has an impact on mood and energy levels. Low testosterone levels can contribute to feelings of fatigue, irritability, and even depression in some cases. Cognitive function. Some research suggests that testosterone may play a role in cognitive function, including memory and spatial abilities. Balancing act. Maintaining the right balance of testosterone is crucial for overall health. Too much or too little can lead to various health issues. For instance, abnormally high levels of testosterone can lead to aggressive behavior, acne, and even baldness in men. On the other hand, low levels can result in reduced muscle mass, decreased bone density, and low energy. Factors affecting testosterone levels. Several factors influence testosterone levels, including age, genetics, diet, exercise, and overall health. As men age, their testosterone levels tend to decline naturally, which is why many older men experience some of the symptoms associated with low testosterone. And now here are 13 natural ways to increase testosterone levels. 1. Maintain a healthy diet. Consume an adequate amount of protein as it provides the building blocks necessary for testosterone production. Include healthy fats in your diet, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, as fats are essential for hormone production. Don't skimp on carbohydrates, they provide energy that helps support your workouts. 2. Exercise regularly. Engage in resistance training and high-intensity interval training exercises. These can help boost testosterone levels and build muscle. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activities or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activities per week. 3. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Testosterone production primarily occurs during deep sleep. Before talking about the other ways to boost testosterone, I should mention that only 12% of our viewers subscribe. So if this video helped you learn more about testosterone, support us by hitting the subscribe button. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can suppress testosterone production. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, can lead to lower testosterone levels. Losing weight through a combination of diet and exercise can help. 6. Limits alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can negatively impact testosterone production. Moderation is key. 7. Avoid endocrine disruptors. Reduce exposure to endocrine disrupting chemicals found in some plastics, pesticides, and household products. 8. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to an increase in cortisol levels, which can affect testosterone. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day. 9. Consume testosterone-boosting foods. Foods like garlic, ginger, pomegranates, and spinach have been linked to increased testosterone levels. 10. Get essential nutrients. Ensure you're getting enough zinc, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients through your diet or supplements if necessary. These are crucial for testosterone production. 11. Limit soy and estrogenic foods. Excessive consumption of soy-based products or food high in estrogenic compounds may interfere with testosterone production. 12. Intermittent fasting. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may help boost testosterone levels. But it's essential to do it safely and consult with a healthcare professional. 13. Consult a healthcare professional. If you suspect low testosterone levels or have symptoms like low libido, fatigue, or mood changes, consult the healthcare provider. They can perform tests and recommend appropriate treatments if necessary. Remember, the effectiveness of these natural methods can vary from person to person. It's essential to make lifestyle changes that are sustainable for you and consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your testosterone level. In summary, testosterone is a crucial hormone. It's not just about muscles and masculinity, it's about vitality, energy, and well-being. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video informative. Share it with your friends and turn on notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.